Introducing continuous data protection for Salesforce, only from Own. Own is revolutionizing SaaS data protection, empowering Salesforce customers to recover rapidly changing mission-critical data faster with near zero data loss. Whether it's e-commerce orders, service cases, or clinical trials, this mission-critical data can evolve by the minute, even by the second. And when SaaS data backups occur at a set frequency, they can only restore to the most recently passed interval. Whether that's the last day, last hour, or even longer, that means you're forced to compromise and settle for less than all your data recovered. Now, Own is leading the way and going beyond interval-based backups, leveraging platform events to protect data and offer near-zero RPO, continuously capturing all the changes to your production data so you can generate on-demand backups at specific points of time, like immediately before and after data incidents, accelerate recovery with smaller change data sets, avoid potential unrecoverable data inherent to interval-based backups, and fuel AI/ML innovation with higher fidelity historical data. Continuous data protection from Own eliminates data compromise and sets a new standard of protection for your mission-critical, high-velocity data, ensuring your business's continuity. Continuously stay ahead of the curve. Continuously safeguard your rapidly changing data with continuous data protection for Own Recover for Salesforce.